Wonderful. And so here's the fun thing about this image. This is a picture that I actually took a week and a half ago. And so when I see it, I remember it's like from the perspective of a mom and her family, and we had just got done doing this dog sledding adventure where the dog sled team pulled us like they had wheels because there's no snow up there at the time. It's summer camp for them, but they were pulling us around. This was us coming down from the mountain. So if mine were to be a novel, it would be like this potentially contemporary family story. And then what could go wrong? All of our unique perspectives and points of view are always going to make the story different. So even though we're all looking at the exact same picture, we all have completely different ways of contextualizing it and visualizing it, understanding it. And so I've come across a lot of writers who sometimes think, oh, my story is not original. It's already been written. And that's just not true because no one can possibly write the same story as you because no one's inside your head. You might have ideas that have a similar concept, but the way it's written and your voice is always going to make it different. So if you're having any doubts right now, like, oh, my idea is boring, it's not unique, it will be because you're the one writing it. And again, it starts something as simple as this picture and all the different ways we can imagine it. So.